try to do some more just scrap wood projects. I have a bunch of spare wood in my garage. And I have this little spot on my porch where we have all these plants, and they seem to be doing really well out here, but there's just not a lot of room. So I thought I could take some spare wood and make a couple shelves going up the wall here. I have these brackets that have been in my attic for a long time, so I'm just going to use these and some spare wood I have. So I just measured the width of the wall, and then I cut these pieces just a little bit smaller than that. These are 2 by 10 inch pieces of lumber. And then I had some small cans of stain, like sample size, and I just used that, and that worked good just to give it a little more fancy look. And here I'm just trying to figure out where to put all the shelves, making sure the distance on either side where I'm putting the brackets are going to be even. And then here I'm drilling the holes, since this is like a concrete stucco wall. I'm using Tapcons. I always have trouble mounting things to like these concrete walls, but the thing I've found works the best is drill a hole, use a bit that's a little bit smaller than the Tapcon, and then importantly, you have to like vacuum out all of the dust that's in that hole that you just drilled. And then you should be able to screw the Tapcon in, and it should give you a nice solid hold. And then here I just bring the stained cut pieces of lumber and then put the plants on top, and here it is. It really looks great. I mean, it adds so much to the space. It looks so much better, more organized, pretty. It was a great use of the spare lumber I had in my garage. That was a nice quick project. Thanks for checking it out. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.